Hello my friends, welcome. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make salsa pico de gallo. You place the plate at the bottom of the container, and it's very important that you always cut the vegetables in smaller pieces. So I'm gonna add some tomato and watch the order that I use. Place the vegetables. I think that is the best way. Now if you like it hot or spicy, don't forget you can choose to put peppers. If you don't want it hot or spicy, let's just forget about it. That'll be up to you. Onion, I'm gonna cut the onion in smaller pieces. White onion, still the same way, doesn't matter, it's up to you. Cilantro, I already cut it in smaller pieces. I'm gonna add now some salt. By the way, you can add some olive oil afterwards if you want. But of course, you can have some lime juice. This is very important. This is what's gonna give the flavor to the salsa. So you have to make sure you get some lime juice in there, squeeze it, get the juice out, and this is how it works. The lid has to go down, twist it to lock it, hold it on the lid, press it with your finger on the side, and spin clockwise. Now, spin 5 to 7 times and then stop and take a look, because the more you spin, the smaller it gets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more times, and let me show you. I think I'm gonna go a couple more times, 2 more times, 1, 2, and that is how you make the fastest, freshest salsa pico de gallo ever. So I dare you to try it at home.